Good morning everyone. Today I am going to take the word problems of class 4. Jaydev planted 1564 mango trees and 1251 pear trees in his field. How many total trees did he plant in all? So he planted 1564 mango trees and 1251 pear trees. Now we have to find out how many total trees. So for total, what we have to do, we will do the addition. So first of all, we will write here mango trees, that is 1564, and then next is the pear trees, that is 1251. So in the third line we will write down the total. Now we will add up both the amounts. 4 plus 1, that is 5, 6 plus 5, 11. So 11, so 1 will be here and 1 will be carry. 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, and 1 plus 1, 2. So total trees are 2815. Next question is, I saved rupees 17,000 in the year 2019 and rupees 15,000 in the year 2020. How much money I saved in both years? In both years we have to find out the how much money I saved. So first of all we have to do the addition here. So we will write down money saved in the year 2019, that is rupees 17,000. Then money saved in the year 2020, that is rupees 15,000. So total money saved, that will be rupees, we will add it up, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 7 plus 5, 12, 1 will be carry, 1 plus 2 plus 3. So he saved total, I saved total 32,000 in both the years. Next is, Suman read a book that contains 4,532 pages and she read another book which contains 3,648 pages. How many total pages she read? So for finding out the total, we have to add up both the numbers. So we will write here pages in one book, that is 4,532. Next will be pages in another book, that is 3,648. So total pages. So first of all we will find out the total pages. 2 plus 8, that will be 10, 0 will be here, 1 will be carried. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, that is 8. 6 plus 5, that is 11, 1 will be carried. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8. So total pages she read, that is 8,180. So we will write here, she read 8,180 pages. Next is, Aman had 734 marbles with him. His brother gave him 166 more marbles. So he got more marbles from his brother. How many marbles Aman had now? Earlier he was having 734. Now he got 166 more. So how many total marbles Aman had now? It means we have to find out the total of these marbles. Aman had marbles, that is 734. His brother gave more, that is 166. So he had total. Now what is the total of marbles he had now? 4 plus 6, that is 10, 1 will be carry. 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 1 again it is 10, 1 will be carried. 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 1 that is 9. So he had 900 marbles now. Now he had 900 marbles. Next is Geeta bought a suit for rupees 3,500 and a gown for rupees 5,500. How much did she pay for both? So we have to find out the total money that she paid for both. So first of all we will write down cost of suit, that is rupees 3,500. Next will be cost of gown, that is rupees 5,500. So total, we will find out the total of both. We will add up both the numbers. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 5 10, 1 will be carried. 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 1 9. So total money she paid, that is 9,000. So she paid rupees 9,000 for both the things, for gown as well as the suit. I think these summation problems, word problems of addition is clear to all of you. Thank you so much.